Yo, look at this, bro. Yo, look at the map. Yo, look at the map. Yo, the map. No, yo. Oh my god. Oh my god. Yo, it's 2 o'clock right now. Look at the winter storm event, bro. It just happened. Bro, I swear it just happened. Oh my god. Dang. Bro. Quick recap of the game, by the way. Dang, bro. Zoom. Skip into the game, by the way. Yeah. Yeet. We be bopping, brothers. And this is where the real action comes in. Got that guy. Yo, I see a guy. Let's go rush him, bro. He's all the way down there. Zoom. RPG'd him, by the way. Yo, where'd this man's go? Oh, there we go. He got him. Zoom. People on Ricardo. Darn, bro. Why'd you get knocked? Got one? No, he's finishing you? Oh, shit. Bro, the whole map. Quick recap of the entire game right there. Then camp there and camp more. And camp more and more. And then right here's where the real stuff comes in. By the way, I get spammed all the time. Yo, how do you hit me there? Bob? Oh? Bop. Bam. Pow. Bada bop boom. Pow. Caught the rockets. Yo, he just shot. Oh, the build. Oh. Yo, where the hell is he? Oh, hold up, I see him. Yeet. Yup. Is he going upstairs? Pow. Flip and go, boys. That's how you get a win. First game on, boys. Sweating my hands over here.